everyone. Welcome to Quick Speak Q&A. If you want to learn English with simple and fast questions and answers, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. How are you today?
I'm good. Just a little sleepy.
What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up around 7.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept pretty well.
What are you doing right now?
I'm getting ready for my day.
What are your plans for today?
I'm going to work and then meeting a friend.
Are you busy today?
Yes, my schedule is full.
Do you like your morning routine?
Yes, it helps me feel organized.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee every morning?
Yes, I need a cup to wake up.
How do you usually go to work?
I take the bus most days.
Does your commute take long?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Do you listen to music during your commute?
Yes, it makes the ride more relaxing.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I like calm and soft music.
Do you check your phone when you wake up?
Yes, I check messages and emails.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Yes, it helps me start the day right.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9.
Do you work from home sometimes?
Yes, a couple of days a week.
How do you stay focused during work?
I make a to-do list and take short breaks.
Do you like your job?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you talk with coworkers?
Yes, we chat during breaks.
What do you eat for lunch usually?
Something simple, like salad or rice.
Do you cook lunch or buy it?
I usually buy lunch.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
I try to drink a lot of water.
Do you get tired in the afternoon?
Yes, especially after lunch.
What do you do during your break?
I take a walk or stretch.
Do you like long work days?
Not really, but sometimes they happen.
What time do you finish work?
I finish around 5.
Do you go straight home after work?
Not always. Sometimes I go to the gym.
How often do you exercise?
About 3 times a week.
What exercises do you enjoy?
I like running and light weights.
Do you listen to music while working out?
Yes, it keeps me motivated.
Do you feel good after exercising?
Yes, I feel more energetic.
Do you cook dinner at night?
Yes, most nights I do.
What do you like to cook for dinner?
I like cooking pasta or chicken.
Do you eat dinner early or late?
Usually around 7.
Do you watch TV after dinner?
Yes, sometimes I watch a show.
What shows do you enjoy?
I like comedy and documentaries.
Do you read at night?
Yes, reading helps me relax.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Yes, but I try not to use it too much.
Do you plan your next day at night?
Yes, I check my schedule.
Do you clean your home every day?
A little bit every day.
Do you enjoy doing chores?
Not really, but I do them anyway.
Do you like grocery shopping?
Yes, I enjoy choosing fresh food.
How often do you buy groceries?
Once or twice a week.
Do you make a list before shopping?
Yes, it keeps me organized.
Do you drink tea at night?
Yes, herbal tea is my favorite.
Do you meditate sometimes?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you check the weather in the morning?
Yes, so I know what to wear.
Do you pick your outfit the night before?
Yes, it saves time.
Do you do laundry weekly?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you enjoy weekends?
Yes, they are my favorite.
What do you do on weekends?
I rest and spend time with family.
Do you meet friends on weekends?
Yes, we usually go out together.
Do you like visiting cafes?
Yes, I love coffee shops.
Do you enjoy cooking for friends?
Yes, it's always fun.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small dog.
Do you walk your dog every day?
Yes, twice a day.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's calm and friendly.
Do you use public transportation often?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I walk a lot.
Do you enjoy the morning sun?
Yes, it gives me energy.
Do you drink enough water?
I try to drink more every day.
Do you prefer mornings or nights?
I prefer mornings.
Are you more productive in the morning?
Yes, definitely.
Do you check the news daily?
Yes, just the main headlines.
Do you like trying new recipes?
Yes, I enjoy learning new dishes.
Do you prefer cleaning in the morning or at night?
In the morning.
Do you enjoy staying at home?
Yes, I'm comfortable at home.
Do you like organizing your things?
Yes, I like everything tidy.
Do you make plans for the week?
Yes, usually on Sundays.
Do you eat snacks during the day?
Yes, I like eating nuts or fruit.